From the first moment you see it rolling through the mist, you know this isn't a motorhome. It's a spectacle. A moving palace. A rolling mansion crafted with the elegance of classic architecture and the precision of futuristic engineering. Draped in off-white and soft beige tones, the exterior looks like a grand estate lifted straight from the hills of Europe and placed on wheels. Even from a distance, the carved details along the columns and railings shine with soft golden reflections, bringing an old-world aesthetic into a world that has never seen anything quite like it. It moves quietly, gliding along the wet road like it's floating. The massive windows, tinted with a warm champagne tone, reveal hints of soft lighting inside, like chandeliers glowing in a luxury villa. When the doors open, the interior welcomes you with the same elegance as a grand foyer in a royal estate. Everything inside is crafted with a soothing palette of off-white, champagne beige, cream, and soft gold accents. Column-inspired beams, soft crown molding details, and furniture designed to blend modern comfort with traditional beauty. The first room you enter is the bedroom, and it feels like stepping into a luxury suite in a historic mansion. The bed sits at the center like a throne, off-white headboard, beige velvet-like upholstery, gold stitching, and soft pillows layered in cream tones. LED lights hidden behind curved molding wash the room in a golden glow. Large windows frame the world outside like a moving painting, making every destination feel like a private retreat. The wooden floor, polished and warm, complements the entire palette, giving the room a royal yet calm atmosphere. Next to the bedroom is the dressing area, a compact but luxurious wardrobe space with classic design inspiration. Beige wardrobe doors reflect soft golden light. Inside the cabinets, there are velvet-lined organizers, polished hangers, and hidden drawers that open silently. A beautiful vanity stands at the end, off-white surface, gold-trimmed mirror, and a cream-colored stool wrapped in soft fabric. This dressing cabin feels like a place where every morning begins with elegance and every evening ends with comfort. Beyond the dressing cabin, the kitchen opens up in a warm, inviting glow. The countertops are light beige marble with delicate golden veining. The cabinets are off-white with soft curved edges, resembling the classic kitchen of a mansion but refined for modern living. The sink is brushed gold. The stove blends seamlessly into the smooth marble. A dining bar sits to the side, paired with cream stools that carry the same velvet texture found throughout the motorhome. The ambient lighting wraps the space like a soft sunset, making even simple meals feel elevated. After the kitchen, you step into the lounge area, the heart of this moving mansion. A long curved sofa, upholstered in champagne beige fabric, stretches along the wall. Soft gold pillows complement the warm tones of the room. A glossy cream and gold table sits in the center, reflecting the delicate lights above. Large windows bring in diffused daylight, turning the lounge into a bright and graceful sitting room. At night, warm lighting transforms it into a serene space for conversation, reading, or simply enjoying the quiet motion of travel. Next comes the office area. Subtle, compact, and designed to blend sophistication with function. A cream desk, smooth and minimal, sits against one wall. A beige leather chair adds comfort to the space. The built-in panel, with muted gold outlines, gives access to controls and digital tools without disturbing the aesthetic. It's the perfect balance of classical elegance and futuristic practicality, a working corner for someone who carries their world with them. The bathroom continues the palace-like theme. Cream marble tiles with warm gold accents cover the walls. The vanity sink is shaped elegantly, with a gold faucet arching smoothly above it. A large illuminated mirror spreads soft light across the room. The shower, enclosed with frosted glass and golden trims, features rainfall fixtures that give the feeling of a private spa retreat. Every detail in this bathroom speaks of relaxation, refinement, and quiet luxury. But what truly redefines this motorhome is the spa-style mini pool. Soft beige stone surrounds the pool's edge, and hidden warm lights illuminate the water from below. The water glows gently, reflecting the soft beige walls and creating a calming, luxurious atmosphere. A reclining chair in cream leather sits beside it, perfect for resting after a long day or enjoying the view outside. This isn't just a feature. It's a luxury few mansions even have, and here, it travels with you. Next to the pool area is the compact gym. Even the fitness space carries the off-white and beige palette. The treadmill and bike blend into the room's calm atmosphere, featuring champagne-colored frames and soft gray details. A small rack of light-toned dumbbells rests against the wall. Warm lighting ensures the space always feels inviting, making your workout experience smooth and uplifting. Finally, you enter the cockpit. The front of the motorhome looks futuristic from the outside, and inside it blends that futurism with classic charm. The seats are upholstered in cream leather with gold stitching. The dashboard is finished in matte off-white with soft gold line work, housing an advanced digital panel that controls every aspect of the motorhome. The panoramic windshield stretches wide, offering a view that makes you feel like you're gliding through the world in your own private sky lounge. Driving. This moving mansion feels nothing like driving an RV, it feels like piloting comfort, elegance, and innovation all at once. Stepping back outside, the entire motorhome stands like a palace on wheels. This is not just a motorhome for travel, it's a declaration of wealth, style, grace, and timeless taste. A mansion that doesn't sit still, a home that chooses its own view every day. Every edge and corner carries the refined touch of classical architecture. The lighting is warm, perfectly diffused to highlight the textures and gentle curves of the interior. Grand, timeless, and breathtaking, yet fully mobile, letting you carry your luxury lifestyle anywhere on Earth. The cost easily rises into the millions, but its value is far beyond numbers. This is not a motorhome you simply ride in. It's a home that gives you freedom while keeping you wrapped in elegance every step of the way. If you're someone who believes luxury shouldn't be limited by location, then this moving mansion is your dream turned into reality. Subscribe now for more futuristic luxury designs, traveling mansions, and next-level mobile homes. And tell me, what do you think? Would you like to travel the world in a moving mansion? Because the journey has only just begun.